And the Prime Minister wished luck to Rio-bound Indian contingent and exuded confidence that they will not only clinch medals but also win hearts with their conduct during the Olympic Games that are starting on the 5th of August. The Prime Minister flagged off Run for Rio event at the Major Dhyan Chand National Stadium to cheer for the largest ever Indian contingent that's headed for Rio.
As the Olympic fever grips the nation, Prime Minister Narendra Modi flagged off a Run for Rio event at the Major Dhyan Chand National Stadium in New Delhi on Sunday. India is sending its largest ever contingent of 119 athletes at the multi-sporting event that starts in Brazil on August the 5th. With a high-spirited note and a motivating speech, Prime Minister wished the Olympic-bound players good luck. Prime Minister said that our athletes will win hearts of the world and will show the world what India is about.
आजादी की 70वीं जयंती का तिरंगा फहराएंगे। मुझे विश्वास है इसी कालखंड में रियो में भी हर दिन कहीं न कहीं तिरंगा फहराने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त होगा।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi enumerated government's efforts for the Rio Olympics. He said that this time around athletes have been sent 15 days earlier than the usual 2 days to get them acclimatized to the local environment, and will also be given $100 allowance instead of $50 as in the past.
पहली बार देश के खिलाड़ियों ने अपनी पसंद का इंटरनेशनल ट्रेनर पसंद किया, अपनी पसंद का देश तय किया, अपनी पसंद का मैदान तय किया और भारत सरकार ने एक-एक खिलाड़ी के पीछे 30 लाख रुपए से लेकर के 1.5 करोड़ रुपया तक खर्च किया। ओलंपिक को ध्यान में रखते हुए ज्यादा से ज्यादा 15 करोड़ 20 करोड़ का बजट रहा करता था। इस बार हमने ये बजट करीब 125 करोड़ तक पहुंचा दिया है।
Giving a vision for the next Olympics that will take place in Tokyo in the year 2020, Prime Minister said that every district should send at least one athlete to represent India.
2020 में टोक्यो में ओलंपिक होगा। मैं मेरे देश के नौजवानों को आह्वान करता हूं, हिंदुस्तान के 600 से ज्यादा जिलों को आह्वान करता हूं, हर जिला संकल्प करे कि अगली बार टोक्यो के ओलंपिक में न सिर्फ मेरे राज्य का लेकिन मेरे जिले का भी कोई नुमाइंदा टोक्यो खेलने तक पहुंचेगा।
Speaking on the sidelines of the event, Sports Minister Vijay Goyal said that the country is proud of its athletes who are going to represent the country in the Olympics.
खिलाड़ियों को शुभकामनाएं देनी चाहिए, जो 119 खिलाड़ी और उसमें से भी ज़्यादातर जो गांव देहात से आते हैं उन लोगों के लिए हम और ज़्यादा कोशिशें करेंगे और ज़्यादा सुविधाएं देंगे।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi also released a publication of Sports Authority of India on Indian Olympics journey. The publication carries interesting information on country's Olympics achievements and preparation for the future. Over 20,000 school children from government and private schools participated in the event. The run concluded at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium at Lodi Road. Similar runs on smaller scale were held at Sports Authority of India's regional centres at Gwalior, Sonipat, Kolkata, Bhopal, Gandhinagar and Trivandrum. It was an electrifying atmosphere here at the Dhyan Chand Stadium. Around 20,000 school children participated, and the basic intent was to bring that connect between the common man and Olympic Games, and of course bid farewell to our athletes who many believe will make us proud at Rio 2016. With camera person Bansi Lal Dogra, Siddhant Sibal, DD News, New Delhi.